Hi, I'm Erin Kennedy. I'm a senior people partner here at Malinka. Coming in, I was really weary of AI. I didn't trust it, but now spending a day learning about all of the great things that it can help streamline business, streamline communication. It's been eye-opening, and I'm not so scared of it any longer.
Hi there, I'm Bassam Oshana, Director of Contract Administration at Pricing here at Malinka. Thank you to the two ladies, Priya and Beverly. I thought they were fantastic and seemed to have a firm knowledge on this topic, which was relatively new to me since I'm not the most technical person background-wise. So very good session.
My name is Joan Bassina. I'm the FP&A Finance Manager here at Malinka. I definitely walked into this conference thinking, hey, what can I use AI for? Where can I use it in my current department? And it occurred to me as sitting in this conference that we really need to make sure that we're still allowing for our business needs to guide our decision making, and not necessarily, I want to use AI to make us decide what we're going to use AI for. Now, if we happen to come across something in our business needs that needs AI and can use AI, then of course we can go ahead and come up with a business case for why we should use AI, but not necessarily, we have this new exciting instrument, let's use it.
My name is Sanjay Misri. I work for Malinka Healthcare as Data Analytics and the Sales Operation Manager. Dr. Beverly and Dr. Priya has done a phenomenal job of helping us understand the fundamentals of what is AI and how it could be utilized for the benefit of the organizations from the business standpoint. If you're looking to learn just the fundamentals of the AI and how it could be applied for the business leaders, this is the place to go.
Hi, my name is Chris Anderson. I'm the Customer Insights and Data Analytics Manager at Georgia Power, which means I manage the data science, business intelligence, and market research functions. I'm here today because I've been charged with educating our executives, our senior level executives, around how we can use AI to improve our business. So one of the main topics we went over today was how to translate a lot of the technical jargon into business terms so that leaders, like the ones I support, can understand the value in the business of AI. So that's one of the main things I learned today.
I'm Vandana Barani. I'm the managing partner for 8B Advisors. I've really enjoyed the workshop today. I think one of the key takeaways that as I've been thinking, is really just understanding what AI can and cannot do for a leader in a large organization or even a small one. AI is everywhere today, and the question really is how we can be responsible and how we're using it, and part of that is really understanding its foundational elements, its capabilities, and the features that are available.